Let's do this. Unit 3 summative review. Let's dive in. Instructions for 1 and 2 say, write the inequality as a verbal expression. Basically, how would you verbalize it? How would you say it when you're talking with all your friends about math and this stuff? You start from left to right. Y is, and then I look at the sign. Y is greater or equal to 14. Next one, we're dealing with the letter T, and it's less than. It's better. Less than -9. Next, write an inequality for the verbal expression. So it's given us a verbal expression, and we need to turn it into an inequality. Inequality means something with a greater than or less than or something like that sign. So as we read it, let's just write it. 16 is greater than or equal to P. Start with 16 is greater than, so 16 is the greater than, or equal to P. If you have it written like this, it's saying the same thing. I just read it left to right. All numbers, remember all numbers is just we don't know what the numbers are, so we're going to use the term x. Less than -5 or greater than 4. I squared the word or. All or problems have just the word or right in the middle of them. So I have x less than -5, that's what the first part of it said, or x is greater than 4. Number 5, all numbers, again, we don't know what they are, so we're just going to say x, greater than 2 and less than 9. All and problems look the same. They all have the Pac-Mans chasing each other like this. So we want all numbers, we want the x's to fulfill two requirements at the same time. We want it to be greater than 2. So if you look at what that says so far, x is greater than 2. And at the same time, we want x to be less than 9. So this is an and problem. The number will be greater than 2 and less than 9 at the same time. There we go.